In what's got to be the strangest collaboration you hear about today, Dacia, the Romanian car manufacturer, have teamed up with a Tetris champion to give Brits packing advice ahead of the UK summer holidays, or during the UK summer holidays I should say, because they're well underway now. Nearly a quarter of people in the UK admit to struggling with how to pack everything they need into their boot and to make it all fit accordingly, according to new research from car manufacturer Dacia. Which, okay, I mean, it's everybody each to their own, I suppose. Every car's different, every family's different. It's something I've never struggled with personally. The only thing I struggle with is trying to actually get enough in your little suitcase or your carry-on bag for the plane. That's kind of it really, but hey, maybe a lot of people aren't as experienced with that as I am, because I've been a lot of places. So with a whopping 36 million Brits set to travel by car for trips this summer, many will have to overcome their car packing fears, and 1 in 8 Brits consider loading the car to be the most stressful part of going away or for a weekend getaway trip. Car packing has even caused family rifts amongst Brits, with just under 1 in 5 claiming that family arguments happen due to an item that's forgotten or too bad. Yeah, that's true. That's true. That happens a lot. You always forget something, and it's always something that's really significant, and you need to buy it when you're there, and you're just hating life at that point. To help create space this summer, over 1/5 are likely to buy a roof rack, with a mattress, canoe and table coming out as the top items Brits would consider trying at the top of the car. Why are you taking a mattress with you on holiday? Unless you're talking about like a camping mattress or something like that, but if you stay in a hotel you don't need one of those. It seems that car packing is quite the fear for Brits, with nearly a third admitting they boasted about their boot packing skills abilities with friends or family. I mean, I haven't. Despite what I just said, I haven't really, so yeah, I don't know about that. But anyway, there's some tips here from Dan V, who is a Tetris champion here in the UK, and if anybody knows Tetris, it's all about packing as many shapes into a certain space as possible. So Dan V, it sounds like Dan V is the man. Dan the man is going to help us out here. He said his top tips are: stay organised. Just like in Tetris, recognising patterns and knowing the shapes you might encounter is key. Identify and categorise your items by size and type. This way you'll know exactly where to place your beachwear, snacks and other essentials, ensuring everything fits perfectly. You know what? That's true. Whenever I go to the gym, I always make sure everything's packed in a certain way in my bag, because otherwise it won't fit. It's just not big enough. So yeah, I'm with him on that one. Keep everything compact. In Tetris, he's always going to reference Tetris here, isn't he? Creating gaps can lead to difficult situations, and packing is no different. Compress flexible items like clothes to minimise the space they occupy, maximising every inch of your luggage. You can fit more items in smaller spaces without leaving gaps. Pack light. This is key, and yeah, this is a good one. The Tetris Matrix, oh my days, he mentions just Tetris with every one of these. The Tetris Matrix has limited space for overloading. It can lead to game over. Similarly, avoid packing unnecessary items like heavy jackets. Focus on bringing just the essentials and some necessities like shorts and sandals to keep your luggage light and manageable. Hey, if you're holidaying in the UK, you need heavy jackets, alright? It doesn't matter whether it's the summer or winter, heavy jackets are an essential, alright? But yeah, those are some good tips there. If you want to read the full article on it, there is one over on the motoringchronicle.com. But yeah, when you're next time you're packing your car up or some bags or luggage or whatever, think what Dan V would do. Think Tetris.